Look guys. We saw the everywhere. Mama.
Seriously. Ito ka na. Yeah, pwede hindi ka muna mag-shampoo sa?
Yes.
Isang araw lang.
What's up guys? We saw the bogey. Like it's this is writing right here now.
Pero hindi naman na si ate.
Ayoko. Why do you use no shampoo? And I will show you. Ready? You want me to watch Bobby?
Dirk, hindi naman na si ate lang.